Hello guys, it's Jan the man with his advice today for the Mercedes C220 CDI, which is W203 code for the body. It's 2007. The problem was with the wipers and the SRS, as you can see. Obviously by now everything would be fixed. The problem appears that when you put the start on, the wipers wouldn't work. So you see, but obviously I don't have a ignition on now, so it's only in the first position. That's only when you can see the initial problem with SRS restraint system malfunction. I diagnosed this with auto with computer diagnostic. Everything has been done, so the movie which I'm making is done afterwards. So obviously I found fuses and the feeds. So you need to move to the engine bay, to the fuse box, which is located on a driver's side in UK. Oh, right, right. So there was fuse number 46, which was 40 amps. So now come back with the light. So as you can see, I checked the feed 12 volt on a fuse number 46, which supposed to should be 40 amp, and I didn't have anything. As soon as I checked the relay. As soon as I fed the fuse 46 fuse with power directly from the battery, the electric motor start working. So basically wipers start working. So you can see that everything was fine. So what was the problem, initial problem? We thought as well that it could be very common thing, which would be switch in a micro switch in a bonnet, which is located here. So obviously because of the nature located in this place where is a lot of dampness and water and debris, the micro switch could pack up. So basically would be no closing, would be open circuit. Because we rule out this, it wasn't this micro switch. It wasn't this reason. So what we decided to do, we decided to jump the power. So the best thing which you can do, remember, you don't have a wipers and your SRS problem appears as well. So it's gonna definitely no pass, it's gonna fail the MOT. So what we did, to save on a SAM module, which supposed to should be replaced, we put the fusible link with a fuse in it and linked directly the power here, which is fed after ignition. So we link the power to it. As soon as I did this, the problem disappear. So look at this. As soon as you put the ignition, all the controls coming up, right? Yeah, and look at this. There's no lights. There's no lights. Squeegee works. Wait a minute. Ah, the bonnet is open. I need to close the bonnet. So now bonnet is closed. So switch closing the whole circuit. And as you can see, there's no existing faults on the dash. As our stock here, let's try the squeegee. See, all work. The only thing which working in this situation is a first gear, but this is no big problem. But works on a squeegee, second gear and third gear. So that's Jan the man with his advice. I'm hoping I was browsing for a really long time online and I couldn't find uh, any repair for this matter, so decided randomly to upload this video. Hopefully I was gonna edit this with a better and a quality with any more comment in the future will be better. Thank you.